what do we have here, guys? Huawei Health, not the regular one. This is indeed the mode, right? Allowing you to go for custom watch faces, all right? New version. Let's see the new changes. Let's try it. If it works, then yeah, why not update? By the way, Troy from the VST chat told me today that there is a new version, right? So respect. And if you have any tips and tricks or you have any ideas for new videos, don't hesitate, ping me here or in Twitter. And yeah, I'll of course give you a shout out because this is really how the community works. So Troy, big thumbs and thank you very much. And now to the person responsible for these beloved modes, Inquisitor from 4PDA. The version here is 11.06512. Okay, it has a very short description. This is the watch face mod, allowing you of course to load custom watch faces. There is also a short changelog. This is indeed the watch face mod. Information from it deleted that is not required. Registration also not needed, and apparently there are several versions here. You can choose whatever fits your device. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to pair the watch to this latest version, and I'm just going to load one custom watch face to see if it's working. So let's start. Opening the Huawei Health for the first time. Don't forget on the watch to go to settings, right? System, okay, disconnect. Now only do this if you are moving between phones like I do. If you are using the watch with the same phone, no did it. Okay, so press next, okay, agree. All right, allow to make phone calls, allow, okay. Now you see that you can start a program actually without logging inside, which is kind of cool, but let's add also the watch to it. So I'm gonna go to the devices here, press add here, okay. Okay, enable some permissions so that the scanning can work. I will press here link, okay. The watch still here, and now actually this is the moment, guys, you have to log in. When the Huawei Health restarts, it's going to ask you if a backup is required. This backup can be later used to convert it and also try to connect it to Strava and etc. So for this case right now, we don't need that one. Press agree here, press OK. All right, let's see what happens. Not paired. Okay, I'm gonna go one more time to devices. I'm gonna press add here, right? So although you can start this health mod version without logging, if you want to connect the watch, of course you need to log in because all of your data is still on Huawei Cloud. Okay, press the link right now. We're gonna see right now the pairing process. Okay, see, phone is trying to pair with the watch. Okay, let's see how this goes. I'm gonna leave it like this so we can observe the process. All right, we see it's loading a bit here. Okay, still loading. Pairing. Please confirm on wearable device. Pairing successful, paired. Very important, guys. Remove the auto download update packages or Wi-Fi and don't auto update in general. Okay, press continue. Okay, now we want to do your part with notifications. This is really up to your taste. Okay, what I want to see right now is the following. Okay, while I have the watch here, okay, I want to see what are the new things. Now, one new thing here are the icons. I think the health icon, the exercise icon does look a bit different, but we're here for one thing and one thing only. Let's go to watch faces. Recommended. You're gonna see now the watch faces from the store. Now go to mine, and now I already downloaded something. Add watch faces, guys. Here, this is it. Let me just see. Unsupported file format. Now this is very important, guys. If you get this message, what do you need to do? Just create a folder, move the HWT there, or just try a different file manager. Let me just show you. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Now let me show you how we can select another file manager for the load. Go here again, press Add watch faces. Click here, but this time select here the CX File Explorer, or you can have here another file manager, right? Or you can create another folder, and that's actually what I did. So I have created right now a new folder, and I'm just gonna show you guys. I go inside my internal storage. I created a folder called test. I am selecting it right now. You see, works like a charm. Install this watch face, boom, installing it. All right, let's see. 27-30%. Now guys, it's very important. The previous version of this mod directly was setting the watch after the installation and didn't really work. Now we see that it's installed, so I'm just gonna press here, okay, hold my finger, and here it is, guys, CH monitor 20N5. And by the way, it's already almost time to do the top April custom watch faces for Huawei Health. Guys, I really hope that you enjoy videos like this. If that's the case, don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel. That's really greatly appreciated. You and your families, guys, please stay safe, and we're gonna catch up in one of my next videos. With that said, guys, VST over and bye.